To set up my student or my child to have success with doing the laundry, helping with the laundry, I'm going to make some labels just to put so they know how to sort. So we have 4 main groups in our household that we sort laundry. We sort it towels, jeans, colors, and whites. You may have it differently. You can see that I just cut up a piece of paper into 4 squares and I just drew things on there that might go in the pile. So yours might look a little different. Whites, we have shirts and socks and underwear, and then also right now during the pandemic we have our masks that go in the white pile. So on my colors you can see I put different colors just to show a little visual there. But it's good to have the text on there too and to talk about the text as you're sorting.